Hey guys, great has again brought to you another piece of informative video. Myself Prachi, and today we are going to explore key new features of Revit 2023 version. Let's start with the very first one, which says view placement on sheet status icon. When you're trying to expand the project browser of 2023, you will observe there is a placement of the square shaped icon in front of all the view names, among which some of them are blank white, whereas some of them are solid fill ones. What does this behavior represents? The ones with the blank white icon represents that these views are yet to be placed on the sheet, and the ones with the solid fill indicates that these views are already placed on sheet. Now let's understand this pattern with a quick example. So I'll go to the sheet view here and I'll try to place one of the non-placed view on this sheet. And as soon as I do this, you will observe the blank white icon for this view name has been updated to this solid fill one. So if you want to stop this status icon behavior by any case, you can just right click on this project browser and uncheck the last option which says show view placement on sheet status icon. By doing this, you will observe your project browser has been updated to the earlier version style. Coming to next feature which says swap views on sheet. When you observe this proposed plan sheet, you will conclude the dimension layout placed on this sheet is an inappropriate view. Now if I want to replace this view with the correct one, what I can do is I'll just click this view and I'll go to positioning and view panel, where I'll find the list of different appropriate views which can be replaced or swapped with this current view. So I'll choose the correct one which I want to place right now, and just by a single click you will observe the view has been updated. So this new feature is all about reorganizing the views on the sheet. Let's come to the next feature which says duplicate sheets with enhance option. When you try to duplicate any particular view in the 2023 version, you will conclude there are some more sub options added to this particular option. Now let's explore them one by one. So we'll start with the very first one which says duplicating the sheet as an empty sheet. So I'll just use this first option, where you will observe only the empty sheet which is just with the title block is coming along. In this case, I'll just do undo. We'll go for the second option which says duplicate with sheet detailing. In this case, you will observe that along with the title block, this time the reference image which was acting as a part of sheet detailing is also getting copied here. So if you want to make a copy of sheet where you want the detailings also coming along, you can go for this option. I'll just step back again. I'll go for the last option which says duplicate with views. In this option you will find there are furthermore classification. The first one is duplicate the view as an independent view. That means if you use this option, in this case the duplicated view would be created, but it won't have any kind of dependency nature or any kind of link with the parent view. So whatever things you are updating here would not be reflected into the parent view by using the first option. Now we'll go for the second, which says duplicate the view and detailing as an independent view. So here not only the view on the sheet, but along with that the detailing part is also getting copied here in the copied view, but there is again no link between the parent view. So whatever things you are updating would again not be reflected into the parent one. The last option is a vice versa, duplicating the view as a dependent view. That means in this case, whatever you are making copy of the view is would have a relation with the parent view. That means whatever updates you are making changes, whatever updates you are trying to make into that particular view would be definitely reflected into the parent one. So this is about all the new features are. So these are some sheet enhancement which will definitely help you in sheet composition. Fourth feature into our list is filter schedule by sheet. As you can observe that we have placed a furniture schedule on this particular sheet. Now is it possible to display only those furniture elements into the schedule which are visible in this view? That means can the schedule has an option for filter for the sheet? Yes, with the help of this new feature it is possible. So I'll have to do is I'll go for the furniture schedule, where I'll go into the filter setting. Here we'll find an option down there which says filter by sheet, and as soon as I check this on, and we'll come back to the sheet where this furniture schedule has been placed, you'll observe the schedule has been updated. So now this schedule is representing and displaying only those elements which are visible in this view. It is used the filter by sheet option. Now not only that, even if I try to crop this view by limiting the visibility of some more furniture, you'll observe simultaneously the schedule is also getting updated. So as soon as I'm trying to crop things out, the schedule is getting updated. So this is just because of this new feature. Now we'll just get back to the normal, and I'll just come out of this view. So yes, you can use this feature for more document efficiency. The next feature is setting print order for PDF export. Yes, you heard it right. Now we can actually manage the arrangement of the sheets for the PDF export option. We'll go for the file now. Here we'll go to the export option where we'll find the PDF, and then we'll do all the basic settings like choosing the views in the sheet which I want to export. So I'll choose some random as of now. Now once I have chosen those sheet, I'll find an option out there which is edit print order. So this option is new in 2023. I'll use this option, and with the help of this option you can actually rearrange them manually just by dragging them out and deciding the sequence of the sheets, like how you want to get them printed. So I'll choose them this way and just press OK here, and the sequence has been set. Now you can just go forward with the further printing setting and get a PDF export or a print of this. Our next feature says measuring tool in 3D view. So let's explore this feature by, I'll use this measuring tool, and we'll try to see whether this measuring tool is working really out in 3D view. Yes, you can see that measuring tool is really helping to generate temporary dimension in 3D view as well. So we can get some more example here. So again, this is a very good feature added to the list of 2023 update. This will really help in quick modelings and quick deformations for the furnitures. The next feature says joint geometry on casework category. As you can observe, we have placed some kitchen cabinets in this view. So these cabinets are belonging to casework category. Now let's explore whether that this joint geometry is really working on this casework category or no. So we have some fillers placed at the corner. Now let's see whether this option really work out by giving me a finish cut for this geometry. So I'll just take join geometry option, and we'll try to join these two fillers which are right now merging into each other. And yes, you can observe by using join geometry, now these fillers are showing me a clear finish of joining with a clear appearance. So yes, you can use the join geometry tool now on casework category as well. The next feature says there are some additional cuttable categories which are added to this 2023 version. Now which are these categories which are now added with this new feature? So these are furniture system, then it's a plumbing fixture, and the last one is special equipment. So let's see whether these four categories are really getting this feature or not. We have generated a section view where you can find there are different elements belonging to different categories. So we have placed the elements which are belonging to these four categories which I mentioned earlier. So as you can observe, the first one belongs to furniture, the next belongs to plumbing fixture, and the last belongs to special equipments. So let's see whether this geometries or these particular elements are able to generate section view or no. So how to do this? I'll just select this particular element. We'll go to edit family, and here we'll find an option saying enable cutting in view. By checking this on and getting loaded into the project, we'll overwrite it again, and let's see the changes. Can you observe? We are able to generate section view for this wardrobe, which belongs to furniture category. Similarly, we'll try that whether this option applies on special equipment or no. We'll go edit family again. Here we'll find this option. We'll just check this out again, load it into the project and overwrite it. And yes, again this is working out for this special equipment category as well. Similarly, we go for the plumbing fixture. Here again I'll put this option on, load it into the project and overwrite the version again. And you'll observe we are able to generate a section view for this WC, which is again belonging to plumbing fixture category. So these are 4 categories which are now able to generate section views for the section elevations and so on. Our last feature for this version is import or link CAD files. So what's new in this particular topic? Let's explore that. Here you can observe I have placed a reference plane at a particular level from this level 1. So now if I want to import a CAD file or link a CAD file in such a manner that it gets placed on this particular reference plane, so is it possible? Let's see that. I'll go to insert tab where I'll find import CAD option. You can go for link CAD as well. Here I'll find some CAD file. Let's suppose this file which I want to import right now, and let's see whether I can place this file on that reference plane or no. So if you put this on, you won't find this option of place at. This will get inactive. But if you off this option, which is current view only, you can actually choose which level you want to place this particular DWG at. So here you can find in the list of these levels, we have also the reference plane added. So now this is new about this particular topic is you can actually import CAD or link file on reference plane as well. So this brings us to the end. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep watching, keep learning.